Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news and our news is about astronaut, a woman astronaut. A US astronaut, Christina Koch, spent 328 days in space, which is a record for a female astronaut. She completed her mission landing in a remote area of Kazakhstan. Her time in space allowed researchers to study the effects of a long-term spaceflight on the female body. NASA said that the finding will help the agency during the future missions to the Moon and Mars. Koch concluded 6 spacewalks and she helped the International Space Station with more than 100 experiments. She studied how plants grow or how fire creates in space. She also helped install a 3D printer that prints organs like tissue. The experiments will help NASA study human viability outside Earth. This is the end of our news for today. And thank you very much for watching. Please, for our support, subscribe our channel. Happy study and see you in our next video.